Welcome back to Digital class, and this is a discussion for book number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept, and we are looking at access and shortage concept, and this is type 1, which I name it as normal. Okay, now let's look at the first question. He says that Mr. Daniel has some rubber bands. If he gives each of his students 7 rubber bands, okay, the last students will only have 2 rubber bands. Now, let me just draw the model to illustrate this. Now, this is the model. If I give all students 7 units, what interesting is the last students will only have 2 units. 2 rubber bands. Now, each student is supposed to receive 7. But if the last student only receive 2, means that it is actually lack of how many? It's lack of 5, right? So meaning it's actually lack of 5. Means that the number of rubber bands that Mr. Daniel has is actually 7 units, but not enough 5. So I need to minus 5. Okay? Means that this is the amount of rubber bands that Mr. Daniel actually has. Now, let's look at the second one. If he gives each of his students 4 rubber bands, what happened is that he will have 73 rubber bands left. Means that there's an extra 73 here. Okay? How many students does Mr. Daniel have? Means that we are looking for the U. 1 unit is equal to 1. Okay? Now, very interesting. You can see that the whole thing here is 7 units. But 4 units here. Means that the leftover here will be 3 units. So 3 units is equal to 73 plus 5, which is 78. And 1 unit is equal to 78 divided by 3, and that will be equal to 26. And this is the answer, 26 students that actually Mr. Daniel has. So that's all for this question. Just that you need to understand the concept here, especially for this part. Okay, thank you, and I hope you learned something. See you. Bye bye.